Bruh, I got a sketty over there.
Nigga pulled his walk out the freezer, had to thaw it out. Wait, that's a bad sign. Running from them cops, I just passed several stop signs. Nigga said he finna snatch a chain, wait, not mine.
YouTube, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to another banger, man. Y'all see the title on the thumbnail right now, man. We is heading downtown. I'm gonna get a little POV action. I heard they getting active downtown, so man, we gonna pull up. I heard they got a permit, so it's all legal. Police shouldn't mess with us, man. So yeah, man, we finna pull up there. I'm gonna get a little POV action, man. Y'all stay tuned, watch the whole thing, like, comment, and subscribe, cause y'all been going crazy in the last couple of videos, man. I really appreciate that. But I do got a question for y'all before the video start, man. I'm debating on moving from my hometown to 2 different cities, man. Either Nashville or Atlanta, man. So y'all comment below, what city should I move to? Or should I stay in St. Louis? You know what I'm saying? I really appreciate it if y'all do comment, though, because I really need to know what's to move. Atlanta, Nashville, or St. Louis, man. Comment below. Let's get into the video. All right, y'all, as y'all can see, we is pulling up. It's just a bunch of bikers, man.
Hell yeah!
Oh, the G-ski?
Right there.
He walking out, y'all. He walking out.
Bruh, I got a sketty over there.
Bro, what are you talking about, man? Why you say that? Fuck it, I'll slide. I think I got enough room right there. I want to try my hamburger. I ain't even use this motherfucker. want to slide that motherfucker?
Huh?
You want to slide my car?
Yeah.
Do you got enough room?
Yeah. Come back for some more. Hey, dog.
Hold on, I'm finna go grab it. Hey, you did it?
Who you got, Ryan Garcia or Tank?
A Tank, bro. I got a feeling you got Ryan, though.
Hell no.
I got Tank, bro. Knockout, 8 rounds. Let's go. You want your shit? Yo, hey, shake. Hey, shake, man.
Y'all, 12 coming after me, y'all.
I don't know if they finna find me or not, but shit, we gone, y'all. Why the fuck the police wanna come when the Mopar get to driving? That's crazy. I'm finna slide back. Y'all heard that motherfucker whine? Like y'all tired of the seatbelt being off. Let's see if I can get y'all some good wine pull real quick. Hold on, y'all. Let's get in good gear. That's a Cat 300 motherfucker, y'all. Let me slide that motherfucker again. In a Cat 300 motherfucker. I ain't never seen this in the loop.
I'll run you across on this.
He on the 5 spokes with it. Y'all see it? Should I get those rims, y'all? ain't never just walked the truck. That bitch a diesel? I thought he was gonna spin that bitch. Look at that bitch.
It's good.
Hey, dude just almost got his.
Hey, it's good.
Yeah, you straight. I'm looking at you. Hey, stop them. Go ahead, you good.
I ain't going nowhere.
YouTube, that's gonna end the video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, man. I appreciate it a lot when y'all do that. Y'all been going crazy on the last 2 videos. We got 50 likes on both of the last 2 videos. But last night, I did get in a wreck last night. A little accident. And this is the aftermath, man. You know what I'm saying? A lot of curve rash. Rims is pretty fucked up, y'all. You know what I'm saying? So, y'all comment below if we should just replace this rim, or if we should get 5 spokes, or the wide body rims I had on the orange car. Comment below though. I really need to know, cause that motherfucker gotta get replaced, bro. Cause it's bent and it got curve rash, and that tire, we just replaced the tire on that side for the 3rd time, and it has a 3rd nail in it. So we are putting the charger up, man, and 2, it's time to get back outside. If y'all ain't noticed, I did debadge the car. So the car is debadged. It's no Dodge right there, no Charger right there, SRT still right there though. We is gonna get retinted because I went to my tint man to retint me and he fucked up again, y'all. So we're gonna get that fixed. This tire is low, so we gotta get a new tire on that. But for the meantime, tween time, I guess I'm just gonna drive the Jeep, y'all. The Charger gonna be put up, gonna put it in the garage. We're gonna go from there, y'all.
I was 19 years old with 500,000. Not in my bank, nigga, on my fucking neck. One Ferrari, got into a wreck and got a faster one. Had a bitch who sucked a sucking dick and got a nasty one. If you don't like the way the truth sounded, don't ask me not. Kick it with... Look, I kick it with a thought. If she really in the class to win. Spent $2 million on my mom alone, oh she glad I'm signed. Still pulling out these burnt holes with a magnum on. It's free BG and